once again. So I'm in the middle of picking up all of the thatch and everything from with the lawnmower. You guys can see, you can totally see the difference. Picked it up, didn't pick it up yet. Even more along the lines there, we got some stuff going on, so I gotta get this going quick. Y'all might say, oh, what you got going on? No, 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 it's Florida, baby. You know what I'm talking about. There you go. That's what's coming in this way. So we're gonna keep this going. I'm gonna try to get up all this, finish this half of the section here, get it up, and then we'll see if we can keep something going, or we gotta wait until the rain comes and then the rain stops. I don't know. We'll see. Got some sprinkles coming in. I got all the grass up. I don't think that I'm gonna have to detach for a second time. As I'm looking through, I'm seeing that grass, I'm seeing that dirt. That's what I want. It's a couple spots that I could probably go through if I really want to with the rake and just kind of rake it up a little bit, you know, but I don't think, oh my gosh, crap. Oh, there's all this in my eye. That's why you wear your proper PPEs. Oh. Whew. Anyways. So I don't think I'm gonna have to detach again. If I do see spots that might still have thatch on it, which is a couple, not a lot, get the rake it up. That's no problem. We do got rain going in, but I wonder if I'm able to make a mix of image, make up a mix of image, and put it down before the rain come in. We'll have to find out. Let's see if we can do this real quick. I don't think so. I want to put the image down. Then the rain comes in and it just washes it all out. So they're gonna let this rain pass and it will be back out. We're back. Rain has stopped. We ready to rock, baby. I am going to use the rest of this Stagreen Weed and Feed 2000. On the back, it's not that much left. 6 ounces left, but I'm gonna just get it back there on the bahehe just to help out a little bit, just in case if some of the stuff inside the image doesn't cover some of the stuff inside the image that don't kill, maybe the Stagreen will. When it comes to weeds, Stagreen here, 32 ounce bottle, cover 5,000 square feet. Clearly I already used it. This is the mixed concentration, so you want to mix it with water. If you're not comfortable with mixing this stuff with water, that's okay. They do have it in like a hose end sprayer, or like a hose end sprayer like this that you can use also. Follow the directions. It says that you should be able to put down 6.2, well, let's make our math easy, 6 to 8 ounces in like a 1 to 4 gallon of water, which covers 1,000 square feet. You know, so if you want to do the math, my backyard, you know, 2,500 square feet. So if you want to keep it simple, 12 ounces will cover 2,000 square feet. Mix it up. Get it back there in the back. Spray this first. Get it back there in the back. And then we're going to put the image right here in my BLE 25E electric sprayer. Let's rock, baby.
I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack, 'cause when
All gone, baby. Let's move on to the southern. Black diesel. All right, just like that, we have cut it down low. We went from, I don't know, 6 inches, 8 inches, whatever it was, down to 4, down to 3, down to 2, down to 1.5. Then we dethatched the whole thing. Then we picked up all the thatch with the lawnmower. After that, I didn't have to dethatch again, which I'm glad. Put down some Stagreen, and then put down some Image for Southern Lawn weed killer. That way to kill all the weeds and everything that's in here. What more can you ask for? I think it's time for your boy to have himself a drink. Until that time, this has been another episode of Long Time Coming. Yeah.